Hello, I am Dr. Shyam Agrumar, Head of the Department of Medical Oncology at Sir Gangaram Hospital. Early cancers, when detected, are potentially curable. For example, if somebody has breast cancer, after having gone through removal of the tumor from the breast, cancer chemotherapy, hormonal therapy, targeted therapy, and at the end of 6 to 9 months of treatment, there is no cancer seen on physical examination, no cancer seen on radiological investigations, including PET-CT scan. Why is it that some patients recur? Recurrence is because of microscopic disease. What does that mean? That means that there were cells of cancer in the body of the patient when we finished our treatment. But as I said, PET scan was normal. Patient was all right. So which means that there is a limitation of these tests. The limitation is that if the size of the tumor left behind in the body of the patient is less than 5 millimeter, it will not be picked up by any tool existing in the world to pick that up. And as we know, body is connected through lymphatics and blood vessels. So if somebody has 1 centimeter or a 2 centimeter tumor, it takes 5 years for 1 centimeter to become obvious. And during that 5-year period, the cells can travel to various parts of the body and they will remain less than 2 millimeter, 1 millimeter. But once the treatment is stopped, in a span of 2, 3, 4 years, those patients where the medical treatment, chemotherapy, hormonal therapy, targeted therapy was not able to eliminate totally the cancer cells, those few million cells will 2-3 years down the line regrow and become 1 centimeter and cause symptoms and then be picked up on a PET-CT scan. So we are into a gray area or an area where research is required to pick up few cancer cells, which the technology does not exist today. So there is no way to tell at the end of treatment that this patient is cured. And that is why we keep calling these patients who have finished their treatment every 6 months to a year for periodic checkups to pick up early relapse. Because if you pick up a relapse early, then you will be able to again target that particular area of cancer and still maybe operate, radiate, and do systemic therapy to cure them. So therefore, at this point in time, we tell our patients, depending upon the results available, depending upon the data available, that if, for example, you have a 1 centimeter breast cancer, you have a 90-95% chance of a cure. If your tumor size is more than 2 centimeter, then the chance of cure comes down to 90%. If the nodes are involved in the axilla, then the chance of cure will come down to 80-85%. So the size remains primitive at this point in time in its ability to pick up tumors which are less than 5 millimeter, and 1 to 2 millimeter can harbor more than 1 million cancer cells. So therefore, we have to understand this limitation of our detection limit, and we have to live in this world and still forge ahead in our ability to perform research at the level of molecular level, at the level of DNA level, at the level of nuclear medicine, radiology, to pick up 10 cells, 100 cells, 1,000 cells. Because once the technology goes to that level, then we'll be able to predict in a better way that whether we have been able to eliminate the last cancer cell in your body or not. Until that technology exists, we have to live with this at this point in time. Thank you.